Find the cat. Lucy, Jake, Kayla, and Annie are best friends. Lucy has a rat named Ajax. Jake has a dog named Buddy. Kaya has a cat named Daisy. Andy has a fish named Nibbles. Together, they are the pet club. Every day, Kyla comes home from school at the same time. Every day, Daisy is waiting. But today, Kayla comes home early. Daisy is not there. Kayla looks everywhere. She looks inside. She looks outside. Kayla can't find Daisy. Kayla calls the pet club. Her friends say they will be there right over. I brought Buddy, Jake says. He can track Daisy's smell. Kayla said. I brought Axe Jack, Lucy said. He can look in small spaces. Kayla says. I brought Nibbles, says Alden. Nibbles is Daisy's best friend. Kayla says. Let's get to work. Kayla says. Buddy sniffs Daisy's dress-up clothes. Buddy sniffs and sniffs, then he runs to the kitchen. Jake and Kayla follows him. Oh no! Buddy ate Daisy's food, Kayla says. Buddy does love to eat, Jake says. After eating, Buddy runs off again. He sniffs every room in the house. No Daisy. Axe Jack checks every small hiding place in the house. No Daisy. Nibbles starts blowing lots of bubbles. She swims in fast circles. She even drops out of her bowl. What is it, Nibbles? Addie says. Look, Kayla, it's Daisy. Kayla checks her watch. I came home early today, but Daisy is right on time, she says. What time is it? Jake says. Time to get more food for Daisy, Kayla says. The end.